Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install and set up Dokploy on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and start deploying your applications and databases. So Dokploy is a free and open source alternative to Heroku and Vercel. So you just need to have a VPS and a domain. So I have a VPS on Dart node, and I have a web chunks that store domain. So let's get started. So I will quickly log into my VPS. So login, accept and save. Okay, we will update our system. Can be sudo apt. Sorry about that. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes. Okay, now let's copy the installation script and let's paste it here. And we'll wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. So we have successfully installed Dokploy. So we will go to this URL. Let's open this in a new tab. Okay, we will set up the server. So, okay, chunks and web chunks, gmail.com, and we will add a password. Okay, we will register. So now we are accessing our Dokploy using our IP address and port 3000. We will use our domain. So we will access our Dokploy using our domain. So be sure to create an A record. So I have created an A record for this domain. Then we will go to web server. Okay, we will add our domain here. Okay, we will put our email for Let's Encrypt, and we will enable this. We will choose Let's Encrypt, and we will save. So we will open our domain in a new tab. Now we can access our Dokploy securely with our domain. So we will log in using our registered email. And now welcome to your Dokploy dashboard. So let's try to create a project. Then we will try to deploy an application. Okay, go to create project. So let's say first project. You can add a description. So I'll just click create. Then we will go to create service, and you can choose an application if you have a repository on your GitHub. So we will gonna choose template, and we will select template here. Okay, let's say, okay, we'll try this app Flowy. So you can also choose WordPress. There is WordPress here. Okay, here. So let's try app Flowy. So just click create, click confirm. Okay, we will open this template. Okay, so now it is ready for deployment. So just click deploy, click confirm. You can view the deployment process. Okay, it is now deployed. We will just close this one, and you can go to domains, and you can view your application by going through this link, or you can add domain. So we will add a domain. Okay, we will select service name. Okay, we will choose Nginx. So let's add a host. Let's say app.webshanks.store. So I'll just leave the default settings here. We will choose port 80. We will enable this one. We will select a provider and choose Let's Encrypt. So let's go back to our domain register, and we will add a subdomain. So we will add an A record. That will be app, and we will copy the IP address and just click save. Then wait for a few minutes for the domain propagation, and let's create. Then we will go back to deployments, and we will redeploy our application. So let's copy this one. We will open this in a new tab. Then we will go back to domains, and we will click validate DNS. Okay, then let's open this in a new tab. Okay, now you have a running app Flowy. You can now register by signing up here. So this is your self-hosted app Flowy application using Dokploy. So I will not proceed on registering because it will just take time, and I'm just showing you how to install and set up Dokploy. So Dokploy is a free and open source alternative to Heroku and Vercel. So you can host multiple applications or databases on Dokploy. So I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, just put them on the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.